Welcome to Fat Math. In this video, you will learn how to divide polynomials using long division. I am RJ and I will be showing you 7 examples of dividing polynomials. I hope that this will be enough for you to master division of polynomials using long division. If you want to try the examples on your own, you can pause the video and play to find out if you got the correct answer. So this is the division of polynomials using long division. So like the example here. So let's start. As a review, a polynomial expression is an expression of the form a sub n x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 plus plus a sub 1x plus a null, where a sub n is not equal to 0, a null, a sub 1, a sub 2, up to a sub n are real numbers, and the non-negative integer n is called the degree of the polynomial. So if we have an expression of this form where the exponent is, all the exponents actually are non-negative integers, then we have a polynomial expression. So let us have our first example. Divide 3x squared minus 28x plus 32 by x minus 8. So in dividing polynomials, we have, or we follow also the division algorithm, the way we divide whole numbers. So first, divide this, the first term by the first term here. So if we are dividing monomials, we just divide the coefficients and then subtract the exponents. So 3x squared divided by x, that is 3x. And then what are you going to do next? Multiply this 3x by x minus 8. So let's do it. Let's distribute. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 8 is negative 24. And the next process is you're going to subtract 3x squared minus 3x squared, that is 0. Negative 28x minus negative 24x, that's negative 4x. And then bring down plus 32. And then divide again. You do again the process. Negative 4x divided by x, that's negative 4. Negative 4 times x, so that's negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 8, that's positive 32. And then subtract again. Negative 4x minus negative 4x, that's 0. 32 minus 32 is also 0. So the answer is 3x minus 4. So the answer in division is what we call the quotient. So the quotient here is 3x minus 4. This one here is the dividend. This is the divisor, x minus 8. And what's left here is what we call the remainder. Okay, let us have our second example. Divide 8x squared plus 34x plus 35 by 2x plus 5. So we have here a polynomial, because our exponents here are 2, 1, and 0 for x. And then another polynomial, or what we call a linear expression. We have here x with exponent 1. So 8x squared divided by 2x is 4x. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. X squared divided by x is x. And then multiply. 4x times 2x, that is 8x squared. 4x times 5, that is 20x. And then subtract 34x minus 20x is 14x. Of course, 8x squared minus 8x squared is 0. And then bring down 35. So you will have 14x plus 35. 14x divided by 2x, you will get positive 7. So 7 times 2x, 14x. 7 times 5, that's 35. And we have here again a remainder of 0. 14x minus 14x is 0. 35 minus 35 is also 0. So the answer is 4x plus 7. Okay? So we have here the quotient. The remainder is 0. Let us have our third example. 2x squared plus 3x minus 3 divided by x plus 3. So 2x squared divided by x is 2x. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x. And then subtract. 2x minus 2x is 0. 3x minus 6x is negative 3x. Bring down negative 3. Negative 3x divided by x, so that's negative 3. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times positive 3, that's negative 9. So negative 3x minus negative 3x, that's 0. And negative 3 minus negative 9 is positive 6. So we have a quotient that is 2x minus 3 and the remainder of 6. So if you divide 2x squared plus 3x minus 3, you will have a quotient of 2x minus 3 and a remainder of 6. So like how you divide whole numbers with remainder, it's going to be the fractional part here will be remainder over the divisor. Okay, so this expression is just the same as this over x plus 3. So if the remainder is positive, you will have to put here plus. And then if later on, if the remainder is negative, we will put here minus. Example number 4. Divide 5x squared minus 25 by x minus 2. Okay, so I put a space here because we don't have a term with x, so that will be the space for that. Because this is 5x squared plus 0x. So we don't write anymore if it's just 0. So this is going to be plus 0x minus 25. So 5x squared divided by x, that is 5x. 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times negative 2 is negative 10x. And then subtract. 5x squared minus 5x squared is 0. And then 0 minus negative 10x, that is positive 10x. And then bring down negative 25. So 10x divided by x is positive 10. 10 times x is 10x. And then 10 times negative 2 is negative 20. And then subtract. 10x minus 10x is 0. And negative 25 minus negative 20 is negative 5. So we have a negative remainder here. So the answer is going to be 5x plus 10. You write it here. 5x plus 10. And then the remainder, since it's negative, you put here minus 5 over the divisor here, x minus 2. Example number 5. This time we have a polynomial of degree 3. So we have 6x cubed plus 16x squared minus x minus 6 divided by 3x plus 2. So 6x cubed divided by 3x. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. X cubed divided by x is x squared. So 2x squared. 2x squared times 3x is going to be 6x cubed. 2x squared times 2 is 4x squared. And then subtract. This is 0. 16x squared minus 4x squared is 12x squared. 12x squared divided by 3x. I mean, you need to bring down this. Can be you can bring down two of them or just one. Or you can do it one by one. So we will bring down negative x here. And then 12x squared divided by 3x is 4x. 4x times 3x, that's 12x squared. 4x times 2, that's positive 8x. And then subtract. This is 0. Negative x minus 8x is negative 9x. Bring down minus 6. Negative 9x divided by 3x, that's negative 3. And then negative 3 times 3x, that's negative 9x. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. If you subtract, that is 0. So there is no remainder. So the quotient, when you divide this expression by this expression, is 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. Let us have example number 6. Okay, we have a polynomial of degree 4. So 2x raised to 4 minus 11x cubed plus 24x squared minus 37x plus 7 divided by 2x minus 7. So first term divided by the first term. 2x raised to 4 divided by 2x. So you just subtract the exponents. So you have x cubed. X cubed times 2x. So that is 2x raised to 4. X cubed times negative 7. That's negative 7x cubed. And then subtract. Negative 11x cubed minus negative 7x cubed. That's negative 4x cubed. Bring down 24x squared. Negative 4x cubed divided by 2x, that is negative 2x squared. Negative 2x squared times 2x is negative 4x cubed. Negative 2x squared times negative 7 is positive 14x squared. And then subtract. 24x squared minus 14x squared, that's 10x squared. Bring down negative 37x. 10x squared divided by 2x, that is positive 5x. And 5x times 2x, that's 10x squared. 5x times negative 7 is negative 35x. If you subtract, you will have negative 2x. Bring down 7. Negative 2x divided by positive 2x, so that's negative 1. Negative 1 times times positive 2x, that's negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 7, that's positive 7. If you subtract, that's 0. So the quotient is x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. So the remainder is 0. Example number 7. So we have here a polynomial of degree 5 divided by a polynomial of degree 3. So same process. Okay, so the division algorithm. 6x raised to 5 divided by 2x cubed. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then you subtract the exponents of x since you are dividing. So you will have 3x squared. And then multiply this 3x squared by the divisor. So you have to distribute it. So multiply to each term here. 3x squared times 2x cubed, that's 6x raised to 5. 3 times 2 is 6. X squared times x cubed. Since you are multiplying with the same base, you add the exponents. 3x squared times x squared, so that is 3x raised to 4. 3x squared times 3, that's 9x squared. But I have to put 9x squared here, aligned with 11x squared, since we can combine them. We can subtract. So if we subtract, this is going to be 0, 0. What are we going to do with this? We will just bring down. And then 11x squared minus 9x squared is positive 2x squared. You can bring down 6 here. And then divide again. 4x cubed divided by 2x cubed, that is positive 2. So 2 times 2x cubed is 4x cubed. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. And then 2 times 3 is 6. And then if you subtract, 0. So the quotient is 3x squared plus 2. And the remainder is 0. So, okay. So I hope that 7 examples or these examples are sufficient so that you can already answer the following items for your practice. Did you learn in this video? Comment down if you have some questions or suggestions, and if you have some items related to division of polynomials, then you can also write them in the comment below, and I'll try as much as possible to answer these items and probably upload videos and show you the process of solving these items. The following 4 items can be your practice set or a quiz, and the answers are also provided. If you think you need more than 4 minutes to answer the items, then you pause the video. And then you can already play it if you think you're ready to check, because the solution or the answers are also provided. So enjoy answering! Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe FatMath. Bye!